morning and Merry Christmas to all. I am Anushka Vani, Digital Editor at AM and A&D Magazine, and welcome back to the Morning Bytes. This podcast is presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Grun Mobility. This week's headlines focus on the business and industrial updates from India and across the globe so that you kickstart your week. In today's episode, we will talk about HPCL commencing resin production at its state-of-the-art facility in Rajasthan, India on the way to become a global hub for high-tech manufacturing, Tata Boeing's Indian facility hitting new milestones, and Delta unveiling intelligent automation solutions. Before we go ahead, we are pleased to present Dr. Anil Lamba, Chartered Accountant, Financial Literacy Activist, author of the best-selling book, Romancing the Balance Sheet.
When managements of corporations announce we are a debt-free company, I have never understood whether they are boasting or apologizing.
Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited or HPCL will begin resin manufacturing at its state-of-the-art petrochemical plant in Rajasthan. LLDPE, HDP and PP resins will be used to make films and flexible packaging materials. Sugata Chaudhary, the company's head of petrochemicals, announced at this company's first ever participation in the Plastivision 2023 held in Mumbai from December 7 to 11. Chaudhary also emphasized on HPCL's pledge to use recycled plastic in its packaging. HPCL consumes a lot of rigid packaging, which is used to pack its lubricants. The corporation has voluntarily implanted a strategy of using 20% recycled plastic in all blow mold lubricant containers. India may have aspirations to become a global hub, especially in the manufacturing of high-tech goods, but the goal is still far off. A research by Feedback Advisory Service found that the nation only contributes 1.39% of the revenue of the top 20 manufacturing corporations worldwide by revenue, based on the Fortune 500 list. The combined revenue of the top 20 manufacturing companies in India as of 2022 was $46.6 billion, out of a total revenue of $3,348 billion. Before we go ahead, let's talk about QVI, a world-leading manufacturer of precision multi-sensor metrology system for industrial quality control.
50,000 passenger flights each day depend on reliable jet engine power, something millions of passengers take for granted. Behind that reliability is some of the world's most advanced manufacturing technology. Measurement systems from QVI are part of it. The precision QVI brings to aerospace component manufacturers helps make air transportation more routine. From ensuring that thousands of parts in a jet engine deliver power when it's needed, to making sure your seatbelt stays latched for takeoff. Plastic bottles help keep us going when we're on the run. And when we put the cap back on our water bottle, we know it won't spill. When it comes to thermomolded plastics, manufacturers rely on QVI precision for fast, accurate dimensional control of their molding process. For mold makers, that precision means fast, accurate thread and seal surface measurements. For the rest of us, precision means longer shelf life and fewer spills from bottled drinks. Safety, reliability, and fuel economy are factors we take for granted every time we drive, yet all depend on thousands of close tolerance parts assembled perfectly. Automotive manufacturers rely on precision measurements at dozens of points in the making of every part, from cylinder heads to drive shafts to anti-lock brakes. More often than not, they turn to QVI for flexible measuring systems that perform day in and day out, right on the shop floor. Just a few years ago, prosthetic joints were largely a dream. Today, they're a common way to renew mobility and extend active lives. When it comes to surgical implants and drug delivery systems, precision is everything. QVI's advanced multi-sensor technologies allow medical device manufacturers to measure critical dimensions more reliably than ever before. From a syringe that delivers the correct dose to a knee implant with a perfect fit. Precision improves the quality of care and life for patients every day. Smartphones and tablets are essential tools for staying connected, in business and for life. Sleek and durable designs let us take our devices with us anywhere. Portable devices are incredibly complex to build. QVI measurement systems deliver the precision needed to fabricate circuits, etch hard disk heads, and fit touchscreen panels to the coolest phone cases. At the end of the day, QVI systems help make wireless mobile devices work on the go. Every great story has a beginning. Ours starts with people, the people who bring our precision to life, and the people whose lives are improved because of it. With more than 400 dedicated employees offering local support to manufacturers in more than 75 countries, QVI and our partners deliver precision across the entire spectrum of industry, from global manufacturers to local job shops. Precision for people is more than something we say. It's what we stand for.
A significant milestone was achieved by the Hyderabad Southern India-based Tata Boeing Aerospace Limited, often known as TBAL. The facility, when it successfully delivered 250th AH-64 Apache attack helicopter airframe produced in India. For the extensively employed attack helicopter, the business is the only provider of fuselages or the core of primary section of aircraft. Final assembly of the fuselages manufactured at the Indian factory takes place at the Boeing's Mesa, Arizona site. Among the customers of this specific helicopter are the US Army and the Indian Air Force, who have already ordered 6 of them. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing business environment, where innovation and technology are constantly emerging, it is essential for industries and businesses to remain up to date and adapt to the evolving landscapes. Our objective is to assist you in staying ahead of the curve by providing you with the latest trends and developments. Join our community to remain informed and keep pace with the changes unfolding in your industry. At Plastic Vision 2023, held in Mumbai, Delta presented its state-of-the-art line of intelligent automation solutions for the plastic industry. Delta used the occasion to introduce its extensive portfolio of hybrid energy solutions, which are designed to improve energy efficiency in the range of applications. That was it for this week's industrial updates. We will be back next week. For more updates, log on to www.pi-india.in. Thank you and have a nice day.